Ilikar biya khayang bong penta ke thekire nang ke barapor nang le tanglo prek jam ke Charlie ang deng along ta kar biya ri so ejangatum amen che thabdun pen nongme ekewan pita do olo la so ting jong si ilikar bi au owe kimiatum ke Charlie anat paprang dun bomlo pulote cheklo along kengkam ka che jor damji ani helo o elo Lason thak si Dipu Municipal Board ke parlo ward number pli sirikang nebalong ke do mensing tiso lapen thui at intipia so pi mirka tiso pi ke Charlie anathu aning ke hang par pik pena jok master degree angdeng Assam University Dipu campus along anthropology department along men che thabdun si mesen pen ka chepa undun bangso anthropology department along Charlie dun si kiteng si anong emate first rank chepalong dun si apia po adonarap lapen karbia khaya phan isi mesen ang tek 1 pilo mirka tisopi ke bangdeng Dipu mini English high school along pen second division angdeng pen chepa undun lo bangso pi higher secondary angdeng abang Renu Terangpi Memorial Junior College along Charlie dun si first division mate kiteng si angdeng pen chepa unpon lo bangso pi Dipu Girls College along degree angdeng Charlie dun pen Chipa undun si master degree angdeng Assam University Dipu campus along men che thabdun si kicheng si angdeng pen chipa undun lo laso pen a jok ke damtang aruni phai krisia ni sami mirka tisopi bi hepen loge Charlie adin mate mini English high school along an ke humri pedo damsi hadak school a principal headmaster headmistress la pen staff do anta la puson nong mi ke wan ki theka pot kachuru pedo pon news report Karbing Long Live